Hi, my name is Renee Brown. I am your child's English teacher for Honors British Literature. I should tell you, British literature is my jam. I get very excited about any of the literature from Britain. That's my constant read, so it's wonderful to be able to share my love of that with the students. I look forward to the semester. One of the things we've already done is we've done our college essays. We've gotten the kids ready for college. Another thing we've already done is Beowulf, which is the oldest piece of British literature. So we have made our way now to the Canterbury Tales. We'll be covering King Arthur. We'll read some Macbeth, which is one of my favorite plays. And then we'll go into the more modern pieces. So I'm very excited to be able to share, all kinds of British literature with the students. I'm very excited to be able to, watch them graduate. This is our last semester, and so I get to watch them walk across the stage. That's always the culmination. And of course, I'm so excited to see them move on to whatever they're going to do next. So please, if you have any questions, reach out to me. You can reach me by email. That's the fastest way to get in touch with me. My email is Renee, RENEE .Brown @cobbk12.org. And I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.